Animal Sounds. Welcome to the Animal Sounds channel. If you love animals too, like them and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Dog. A dog's nose print is unique, much like a person's fingerprint. 45% of US dogs sleep in their owner's bed. Speaking of sleeping, all dogs dream, but puppies and senior dogs dream more frequently than adult dogs. A dog's sense of smell is legendary, but did you know that his nose has as many as 300 million receptors? In comparison, a human nose has about 5 million. Dogs' noses can sense heat/thermal radiation, which explains why blind or deaf dogs can still hunt. Horse. Horses are obligate nose breathers, meaning that they can only breathe through their nose, not through their mouth as humans can. Horses have lightning-fast reflexes. Should a situation arise when they need to fight, they can go from standing still to delivering a powerful kick in just 0.3 seconds, whereas human reaction time is 1.6 seconds. Horses have a nearly 360-degree field of vision. This is due to the positioning of their eyes on the sides of their head. However, they have two blind spots, one directly behind them, and the other just in front and below their nose. This means that they cannot see the grass they are grazing on. Pig. Pigs are one of the smartest animals on the planet. Their intelligence ranks higher than dogs and even some primates. In their natural state, pigs are very clean animals. They keep their toilets far from their living or feeding area. Pigs use their grunts to communicate with each other. The grunts made by pigs vary depending on the pig's personality and can convey important information about the welfare of this highly social species. Pigs have very long memories and can remember things even years later. Pigs were the first animals to be domesticated. Ox. While oxen might look scary, they usually have a large pair of horns after all. They are herbivores that eat grass and plants around a farm. Unlike bulls, which can be quite unpredictable, oxen are much more easygoing. They can be trained to obey commands and work hard for long periods of time. Oxen can be ridden too, but are not as fast as horses. Water buffaloes and yaks are very often used for riding. The average weight of an ox is between 1,500 to 3,000 pounds, 680.3 to 1,360.7 kilograms. Rooster. A rooster is an adult male chicken. Roosters have a bad sense of smell and taste, but have good hearing. Within each species, the male is slightly larger than the female. Its beak is stronger and stiffer. Larger ridges and always bright red in color, while hens, in broody, are pale red. Large, pointed spurs just above the feet, which only develop in the male, are an instrument of defense and attack in fights between individuals. It is one of the most domesticated animals in the world. It is believed that the custom began in Asia, more precisely in India, about 4,000 years ago. Cow. All cows are female. Males are called bulls or steer. Before having a calf for the very first time, a female is called heifer. Then, once she has her first calf, she becomes a cow. There are over 800 different cattle breeds recognized worldwide, according to Wikipedia. For example, beef breeds are raised for their meat, and dairy breeds are raised to produce milk. What do cows eat? Grass and sometimes grain. Cows don't eat meat, ever. They're always vegetarian fed. Cows have an acute sense of smell and can detect odors up to 6 miles away. Cows are very social and don't like to be alone. For example, when a cow isolates herself, it's usually because she is sick or about to give birth. Sheep. Female sheep are called ewes, male sheep are called rams, and the process of giving birth is called lambing. A group of sheep is called a flock. Within only minutes, newly born lambs can stand and are walking with the flock almost immediately. Sheep form strong bonds between one another, such as those between a mother and her lamb, and other friendships. Studies have revealed they are able to recognize and distinguish between different emotional expressions, such as pictures of sheep with calm expressions, startled expressions, and fearful expressions. Did you like the video? So enjoy and subscribe. Click on some of these videos to continue having fun on our channel. See you in the next video.